I don't know how JinSoul looks like.
I know she's blonde based on the
Oh,
thumbnail.
I know she's blonde, but
yeah, so we're gonna react to LOONA, JinSoul singing in the rain.
It was requested.
It was requested. Someone in the comment section requested it.
Yes.
So
And we do nothing about LOONA,
but we're interested.
Yeah.
So
after watching
they have
Cherry Love Motion.
Love Cherry Motion. Yeah. And a lot of like people are really into LOONA. So yeah, let's go start. 1, 2, 3.
Singing in the Rain. It sounds like a ballad or something.
It sounds like some EDM shit, I think.
Wow.
I was right.
Ooh. Ooh. She's platinum blonde.
How did she have that plastic for?
Oh my god. How is she?
Oh, that I don't know.
Oh my god. This song take a whole new turn.
I see you.
Her outfit though. Love it. Ooh, you were right.
This is like some SoundCloud shit, dude. Amazing.
Oh my god, I didn't expect this at all. Ooh.
Wowza.
Is that koi fishes?
No, they're not koi, honey.
Okay. Okay, those are goldfishes. I really like her aesthetic. It's like some female empowerment shit.
Did she turn into a mermaid? What?
Ooh. But it's pretty though. But why is she in a tank? I love her hair. Oh my god.
I love her makeup.
Yes.
Ooh, nice.
And they haven't debuted yet, right?
I think this month they're gonna have a subunit.
They talented. Oh my god.
Her body is nice.
Yeah. Same. Oh my god. Her voice is nice. This has something to do with fishes, but I can't.
Oh, why did she put the fighting fish with the goldfish?
Really? Ooh.
Yes.
She looked like Sailor Moon for a bit. Oh my god, this is amazing. Ooh.
Hair flip.
Ooh.
Oh, I thought it was that.
Man, soggy shoes are like.
Ugh, that feeling.
But her hair though.
Not
Interesting. That was nice. Like I didn't know it would be like some.
bad. We didn't expect it to be like
yeah,
that.
at all. I was thinking it would be some ballad or something.
I was thinking it was like some, you know, the typical K-pop songs, but no, it's some
SoundCloud shit.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
And the fact that they haven't debuted yet.
I don't even know when they're gonna debut. One thing's for sure, it's like next year, but like I think this month they're gonna debut like a subunit.
But I think it's really nice. Even the past one, the Love Cherry Motion was nice, and this was nice. I like all her outfits. Yes,
Yeah.
girl.
Her hair and her makeup.
Her hair reminds me of Kristoff in Red Light. That platinum blonde, that curly.
Really? Okay.
Only that one bit, but like I like her hair and her makeup, her dewy makeup. It's amazing.
It's very cute. How old is she though?
Yeah, we need to know how old is she.
I think she's like a 2000 liner.
Serious?
I'm not sure. Let me check.
If she's that young, oh my god.
What do you think her age is? I'm guessing 2000, you know.
I'm guessing 1999.
Legit, I'm like.
It's not surprising me anymore.
Oh, okay. She's our age.
Oh,
1997.
see, that would make more sense.
Okay,
Because I was
that
scared.
makes more sense.
Because I was scared if like, because I heard like some LOONA members are really young.
like
Sorry.
Cherry's 2000 or 2001
Yeah.
liner.
So like, I wouldn't be surprised if she's younger than that. But she's our age, so yes, girl.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
And her body's really nice. Like I don't know if
Yeah.
you realize, but like she has like really huge hips. I don't know. I pay attention to those kind of things. She has an
I
hourglass
like her
figure.
outfit. The black outfit.
Her uniform's kind of cute. As well.
Oh yeah, Sailor
Sailor
Moon
Moon.
vibes.
Oh my god.
We did it again.
This is what
But-
happens when we're together. Like for this entire. We don't even see each other this entire week.
Yeah, I haven't seen her in like,
Legit entire week. I've been ghosted.
yeah.
Assignments.
Like I saw her walking past by me, but she's blind, so she couldn't see me. I was like,
I didn't know. Oh god. Well, now you know.
here.
This has been Christine
And Puzo.
Bye.
Bye y'all.